First, let's go to edit edit menu, go to sky replacement, and from sky replacement, Photoshop automatically adds the clouds for you. Shift edge determines where the border between the sky and the original image begins. Fade edge adjustment is to adjust the feathering from the sky image to the original photo along the edges. Let's adjust the color to a warmer tone, and you can also scale the sky to match the original image. So for the lighting mode, I'm gonna choose the screen mode. For the lighting adjustment, it brightens or darkens the main image where it blends with the sky. Color adjustment is the opacity slider that determines how strong the foreground is harmonized with the sky colors. For the output, I'm gonna choose new layers, because I wanna keep the original layer, including the layer mask and the sky replacement image as a separate layer. For the sky replacement selection, you're not limited to one, but you have a folder of blue skies, spectacular, and sunset skies. So just use whatever is best for your image. If you don't like the images that Photoshop provided you, you can also import your own image. And after making all those settings, you're done.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.